Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 29th of March, 2023. GameStop, real quick. We're trying to see if the breakout is going to continue to the market in GameStop. You guys can see how the earnings was released. The market shot up around $24, $25. And since then, it has been trading below our area of support. Now, I did a video in GameStop on the 23rd of March, and I was like, yeah, I'm looking for the market to continue to trend to the downside. And that is precisely what it did. One of the things I don't like since I did that video is seeing how GameStop is trading below $24. I really wanted the market to hold $24 as support and see the market continue to break off of that and shoot up, right? I wanted to hold 24 and then slightly continue to trend higher price. Instead, the market fell below 24 and we've been holding it here. So even if I am going to play an upside move in GameStop, that $24 will have to be a target, simply because that is going to be seen as resistance. Because back here, the market in GameStop was seen as support. We're now trading below that area, so it's going to be seen as resistance. Okay, so let me go back to this daily time frame, and I want to show you that yes, there has been some selling going on in GameStop, but the market is being very relentless into not letting price drop. That's a good sign for those looking for GameStop to go higher. Okay, so let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so we saw selling come into the market in GameStop right here on the 23rd of March, but then on the 24th, price went up. We saw selling come into the market in GameStop on the 27th. Yesterday, the market went down, but closed higher than the previous close. That tells you that buyers are still into the market in GameStop. So this is an area of accumulation into the market in GameStop right here. Okay, as long as we continue to see the market hold the selling, price is still prepared to go higher. Now, $24 is the only thing that's in the way of really seeing GameStop go up. Let's look at the market in GameStop on the 2-day chart. So again, I do like the market here in GameStop with all this volume here, and on this 2-day price bar right there, for us to only see the market still hold 22 as support and market not giving us more weakness and downside move tells us that the market is in agreement with holding price there. So this looks pretty decent for GameStop to continue to try to lift up. Here it is on the 3-day chart as well. We got 8 hours left. So as long as the market here in GameStop holds 22, we're going to look for the market to trend higher. So I think you guys can see, rather than 24 being seen as support or resistance, this is where the market is obviously agreeing that they feel that GameStop is a buy there at 22. So I'm just going to lower that line so that we can identify that particular point. So here it is on the 5-day chart again. I don't want you all to become complacent and say that automatically the market is going to hold there around 22. There's no guarantees. We're currently seeing that now, but if the selling continues, then those who are currently buying GameStop will leave and they will run out of money. Then the market will continue to fall lower. That is the thing that you're up against when you see this current situation in GameStop. Okay. So how do we want to play this? So looking at this on the hourly chart, I could definitely tell that the market in GameStop is going to try to lift higher. But I do have to be a little bit cautious into how strong the market move is going to be in GameStop, because 24 is definitely a problem for the buyers in the market in GameStop. So I'm done. I am going to play some upward movement in GameStop. I'm not going to be, one of these short squeeze YouTube channels, but I do suspect and presume that the higher chances, the easiest way for price to move is going to be higher. Okay, so my first target in GameStop is going to be right there around 24. Like I said, we're going to look for the market to hit that $24 price, which is only 4.47% market move there. $24.08. Second target is going to be around $25.50. 10.25% move there, and I'm just going to hit it to 26 right now That's a third target, 12.5% market move there, $26. And that's because we have all of this consolidational trading right here. And if the buyers really want to move the market, they'll have to take out everybody who purchased and sold their GameStop here. Those people who are still holding in this range, the market will have to be willing to take them out in order for price to really break higher than that. So until we see this market break and take out these sellers and buyers here, we're not going to see the market in GameStop really have a breakout. So we may see something like this, to where the market in GameStop just consolidates and it's going to try to take them out, and then that's when you'll see the market break out. Okay, so let's see how this works. So go ahead and give me your thoughts. I am done. Give me your thesis as to how you think the market in GameStop is going to trade. You guys can see our analysis, our forecast as to where price is expected to go. I want to know what you guys think. Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.